Hi guys, nami diri sa Jollibee. Today is dinner date with my niece. Gi-celebrate namo karon namo ang late Valentine's dinner day. Ika ni uncle niya. Salamat, babes. Thank you so much your good heart. My heart is full. So thank you so much for this dinner, babe, with our niece Angel Grace. Thank you for dinner. Thank you, love. Thank you, babe. Thank you so much. You're kind and love. You are so very, you are so very supportive man. Love you, baby. Thank you.